To transfer files using NordVPN, start the process by launching the NordVPN app on your PC. Once the app is open, look at the left panel where you'll find several icons. Navigate to the fourth icon, which is labeled File Transfer. Clicking this will take you to the File Transfer page, where you can start the process of linking external devices. On the File Transfers page, locate and click on the Link External Device option. A small dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter the email address of the external device's owner. Once you enter the email, an invitation link will be sent to the owner of the device. Keep in mind that the recipient has 72 hours to accept the invitation, after which it will expire. Once the invitation is accepted, the external device will be linked to your NordVPN account, allowing you to transfer files. In some cases, the app may prompt you to set up MeshNet if you're trying to connect devices. To configure MeshNet, start by clicking the fifth icon on the left panel of the NordVPN app, labeled Devices in MeshNet. On this page, you'll see the option to toggle MeshNet on or off. Toggle it on to activate MeshNet. Next, to add a new device to your MeshNet, scroll to the bottom of the page and select Link Devices. Open NordVPN on another device, like your phone or tablet, and enable MeshNet there as well. When MeshNet is activated on the second device, a unique connection code will appear. Go back to your desktop app, refresh the Devices in MeshNet page, and you should see this connection code listed under Personal Devices. This indicates that your devices are now successfully linked via MeshNet. If you're adding an external device, after the invitation is accepted, it will appear under the Devices in MeshNet section. To send a file, simply click Send Files and choose the file you want to transfer from your PC. The file will remain in the queue until the recipient accepts it and selects a location on their device to save it. Once accepted, the file will transfer smoothly, completing the process. For more tips and tutorials, be sure to hit that subscribe button and use my affiliate link in the description to create an account for 70% off and 3 months extra. Thanks for watching.